First line, gentlemen, comma, we are anxious to receive the pens which, according to your invoice of 14th November, were sent by post 5 days ago, we presume that the parcel was sent by registered post, New paragraph, in answer to our inquiry, comma, the post office here says that the package has not yet been received, Do you think that there has been a mistake in addressing it, Yours very truly, comma. Second line, gentlemen, comma, we are sorry to learn that the package we sent to you by registered post on 14th November has not been received, promptly upon receipt of your note. We sent a duplicate, It is possible, comma, of course, comma, that the label was incorrectly addressed, comma, but we do not think that there is any likelihood that this is the case, We are asking the postal authorities to institute a search for the lost parcel, comma, and no doubt they will be able to find it, New paragraph, meanwhile, comma, if the original package is delivered to you, comma, will you kindly return it to us, The cost of postage will be sent to you, comma, or you can make an adjustment in your account when you post your check, Very truly yours, comma.